Hey everybody, Quilting Marine. I know it's been a while, but look at this. I'm moving. I hate moving, but look, moving room to room is way better than moving from house to house, okay? There's progress being made. Everything's moved. So my wife's gonna make this into a spare bedroom because I get my own quilt room and it's over there on the other side of the house. Look, everything's out, even the gun for those of you who are worried. No worries, the gun didn't walk over by itself. I took it over there by hand, okay? But this is now the quilting room. So let's go see the horribleness that's in it. Well, I don't know. Maybe I should, no. Okay, all right, we're gonna show it. All right, everybody, look, no judgment, no judgment. But all the stuff is moved. All right, so we just gotta organize it. Don't cringe, all right? The guns are over here, the knives are over here, and my quilting gear is over here. So this room's gonna be very, very important, all right? So my wife and I are probably gonna go to Ikea today and take a look at some ideas. Some of you have sent some great ideas in, and I think I'm probably gonna end up going with it, but I'm not gonna tell who it was that gave me the idea, because then there's gonna be a whole bunch of jealousy maybe. But I think I'm gonna do like kind of an island L kind of thing. I don't know yet. But we're gonna go to Ikea, and Ikea is not my favorite place. Why? Because you have to do all the work yourself, and I've done plenty of the work. But they have some great stuff in there, so we're gonna take a look, and we'll be back, I guess, with another video to show the progress. All right, so this is why we're not seeing any quilting videos right now, because we're in limbo because of the move, okay? When I get a chance, I'll put something together as soon as possible. Oh yeah, the wife's quilt it's pretty much done. We just gotta bind it, but I want you guys to see the bind, because I'm gonna use the bind tool on it, because I want some of you to really get an idea on how to use the bind tool. The bind tool is a great tool, but if you're waiting and you can't wait, Missouri Star Quilt Company, Jen does a great video on the bind tool. She uses it. But that'll be the next video I do, as soon as I can get this stuff laid out and organized in some way, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread. Alright, so this is it. This is the look I might be looking for, but the wife's not filming. Something that can hold my materials up and not have a big profile in the room. So this is the look I'm going for. We're at the Ikea, so be ready for other looks that we're going to look at. Okay, so she's looking at this over here. I mean, that's all right. I think it's cool. I might have to put it to a vote, maybe. Yeah, you're paying $79 to build it yourself. Yeah, we're going to be negotiating that. And then you're paying $20 to build it yourself. And I could put a couple of these against each other and then put them against the wall, maybe, you know. We'll see how it goes, though. All right. Be prepared here. There's going to be more videos coming, because we have to make a decision. But we don't have to make a decision. We're just looking for ideas. But I like this. This is pretty sturdy, manly looking. Not necessarily black. I'm probably going to paint it gray because I like gray. But we'll see. All right. All right, everybody. So we have a contender. Like, look at this shelf right here. So look at this. I like this. Look, I can stack my fabrics and stuff here. I got my little quarters, my little ones I have to put here, right? And look, it goes all the way to the floor. The colors aren't the best, but you know what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be doing. Look, she likes the black. I think the black is like kind of overbearing a little bit, but my plan is to have a gray, you know, like an ash or a charcoal colored parts. So. But this is only from here down. But I like how it goes to the floor. It gives you plenty of space. I can have my fabrics displayed in here. And even maybe a quilt or two that I've rolled up. Probably. Maybe. Maybe not. But I like the look of it. I like how it gives you depth and some distance down to the floor. But this is only like the second stop we've had. So we're working on it, alright? But I like this look. I like how manly it is, alright? Don't forget, Marine, quilter, alright? Quilting Marine. No femininity, alright? You're doing man. I like this. All right, so we'll go look at some more stuff, and then we'll make a decision. Or maybe not. But I like this, but not the black. I like this right here, the birch. But it doesn't really matter. I'm just looking for price because I'm gonna paint it anyway. All right, or I'll have her do it because she does this stuff with this mixing paint stuff that she's done before, and I like the way it comes out. So we'll see. All right, we're gonna look at some more stuff. I want an island. We're gonna look at an island, maybe.